It is not true that the end of the world will be on 2010 or 2010. It is a hearsay, it's an invention, it's a fallacy, it is, may I call it another, stupidity. There really is an end of the world. But no human has the knowledge or the capacity to say that it will end on a particular date. It will end in a particular day, in a particular time, but no man was given by God the power to predict or to know when will that be. So anybody who guess or anybody who calculate that the end of the world will be on that day or on that year, may I say, they are misled by their minds which do not seem to be biblical. Because I want you to note this, sister. These people are misguided. They are misinformed. Just like the prediction made by the Jehovah's Witnesses, they calculated.
Yung iba, ang pangarap magtatayo pa sila ng isang project na matatapos sa 2010. Sa 2010, doon daw matatapos. Malaking project. Sabi ko, kayo na lang, hindi na ako sasali riyan. Hindi naman ako naniniwalang aabot pa tayo nung ganong katagal na matagal.